I bought a coconut, bought it for the time. My sister had another one, she paid for the lime. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank them full up. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank them up. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank them full up. She put the lime in the coconut, she called it Dotty Coconut. Stop, ain't there nothing I can take. I said, stop, leave his belly, leave his pig. I said, stop, ain't there nothing I can take. I said, stop, leave his belly, leave his pig. I said,
this is ice. You can check this here. It's very slippery. So normally you don't drive at this difficult situation with the car. Yeah. So the system works very well, but the driver needs to know to stay constant on the throttle. Now the problem is on the left front wheel, it is spinning. Same thing again, I stay constant on the power. You hear the brakes working. That's it. And once again. With next car, only that you get an impression how steep is it and how is the situation. That's all what I want you to do now. And next car, here we go. But now we will make it a little bit more difficult. We want to stop uphill and start again. And therefore we have a function, it's called the auto hold function. Then you can build on power very slowly. And next car. Also stopping very gently, not so rough. And now very gently, centimeter by centimeter, move the car forward. Very good, very good. That's how we want to do it. And build up more speed. Build up more speed. Excellent. Very good. Next one.
bought it for the time. My sister had another one, she paid for the lime. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank them full up. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank them up. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank them full up. She put the lime in the coconut, she called it Dotty Coconut. Stop, ain't there nothing I can take. I said, stop, leave his belly, leave his pig. I said, stop, ain't there nothing I can take. I said, stop, leave his belly, leave his pig. I said,
icy lane, and try to stop here somewhere, or to continue in slow speed if you want. Let's go. It's already going downhill, right? So you see the difference between snow and ice. You can try going uphill. And now we move more to the left, and you drive up in the left, build up speed because it becomes icy up there. More left, more left, more left, and build up speed. Speed up, speed up, speed up. Stop.
Yeah.
Reverse in, auto hold off, and very slowly back, and be prepared that the car starts sliding. Sliding all the way down, but you can be lucky it was in the lane, in the track. And we try the same lane with more speed. Here we go. Good luck. And stop. No, same problem. The lane is too icy. We would need even more speed, or we choose another track. So backwards again. Or you try it even more left or on the very right. But you can try it more on the left. You can drive with the left wheel in the white snow. If you scratch a little bit, it doesn't matter. Very good. Stay like this. Yes. Very well done. Perfect. bad condition. What is important by driving downhill? It's important, first of all, to start very slowly on the top of the mountain, and very slowly is 0.5 kilometers, not 2 or 3 kilometers. This is almost walking speed. In driving in off-road, very slowly means 0.5. So you start very slowly, stay always on the brake, and try to stop the car downhill. And we're using the icy road. Here we go. A little bit more to the right. And now straight. Perfect. Sometimes the wheels are locking. Very gently, very good. Front wheels are locking, good. Continue a little bit. And also for this situation, for going downhill, now all wheels are locking. Car is sliding, you feel? Car is sliding, no ABS, car is sliding all the way down. For this situation, auto hold should be switched off because then you can work sensitive with the brake. And now you were sliding 15 meters without ABS, you know why? Because your speed was too low. It was 1 or 2 or 3 kilometers and then ABS is not working and it is very slippery. So it makes no sense for the ABS system to open the brakes. It would make no sense, so the car is sliding. So in this situation, when you need to stabilize the car, you need to release the brake, stabilize it, and again. But you did right, you stayed on the brake because the car was only going straight forward. Perfect. Next car, here we go. Yes, a bit more to the right. Okay. Right front wheel was already locking a little bit. And continue. And here we go. Now ABS was in, so it was easy to...
Bought a coconut.